I've got a vintage Greist Overcaster. Fits the common singers, featherweight, 1591, 201s, 99s, 66s. This is on a red eye, but it's a 66-4, so it has a side clamping foot. It will not fit the older version red eyes. But it's on a treadle, so bear with me while I get this started. It could be a little rough. I'm not the best sewer. I just want to show you the attachments in working order, that's all. Now you probably have to adjust thread tensions and such. Like I said, I'm not that good, but yeah, mine's a little loose. But there you can see closing the end of the fabric, and there you have it.